What's a senpatsuru? What's its purpose? What's the touching story behind it? My senpatsuru challenge and how it could inspire you, you will get all the answers right after this. If I say senpatsuru, what comes to your mind? A traditional Japanese dish? A term used in sumo wrestling? Maybe a subgenre of Sudoku? Or another word for origami? I'll give you a clue. It all starts with this, a little paper crane. And then another. And another. And another. And a few moments later, well, actually, 1,000 paper cranes later, ta-da! You get a senpatsuru. But, Clementine, what's the point? You may ask. What's the purpose of folding so many cranes? Let me tell you a story. This is Sadako Sasaki. She was 2 years old when the atomic bomb was dropped on her hometown, Hiroshima. She survived the blast but developed leukemia 10 years later, caused by radiations. At the hospital, she was told about the senpatsuru legend. Whoever folds 1,000 cranes will be granted a wish. Sadako set out to fold 1,000 cranes, hoping to be granted her wish to recover. She exceeded her goal and folded around 1,400 cranes. Sadly, she didn't recover, and she died from her illness within a year. A statue of Sadako holding a golden origami crane stands in Hiroshima Peace Park, and thousands of senpatsuru are offered each year at that place. If you want to know more about Sadako's story, I'll share some links in the description below. Now, the tradition existed well before her time. We're talking about centuries here. But the thing is, that girl popularized the senpatsuru tradition, and today the senpatsuru practice has spread globally with people from all over the world folding cranes for many reasons, as a symbol of support for disaster victims, a call for peace worldwide, a wish for happiness and good luck in marriage, also for success in one's pursuits, or in memory of a loved one, or to wish for a friend or a relative to recover from illness or injury. Which brings me to my senpatsuru challenge. A close relative of mine needs to have surgery in May, so my goal is to make a senpatsuru and give it to him when he comes home from the hospital, to show my support and to wish him a quick recovery. So this gives me roughly 8 weeks to complete the challenge. During that time, I will document my project to show you my process, my progress, and to share some tips along the way, and maybe inspire you to make your own senpatsuru. All it takes is paper, love, and dedication. So fold a crane, make a wish, and be part of the heartwarming story behind senpatsuru. Until next time, happy folding!